The leopard, normally feared by all in its territory, has become a target for bullying by other predators, with its injuries limiting its ability to hunt and defend itself. The leopard's only It is unusual for one leopard to attack another leopard, as they are solitary animals and usually avoid confrontation with members of their own species. These two leopards are competing for the territory. Injuries can occur, but fatal attacks are rare. The lion noticed that the leopard was blatantly lying on his territory, so he quickly ran to chase the leopard. Leopard was attacked by surprise, so it fell short of the lion's strength. The wounds on its face are the consequences that it has to endure. Leopards have a variety of hunting techniques, but they typically rely on their strength, speed, and agility to chase down and kill their prey. They often rely on their camouflaged fur to blend in with their surroundings and get as close to their prey as possible without being detected. Leopards will often lie in wait for their prey, hiding in the bushes or trees until the perfect moment to strike. The leopard still has to compete for prey with many other cunning animals such as wild dogs and hyenas. Common injuries for leopard seals include bites or scratches from prey or other predators, wounds from rough ice or rocks. A leopard that doesn't measure its own strength attacks a herd of buffalo and gets a fierce counterattack. The buffaloes use the sharp horns on their heads to repeatedly butt into the leopard's body. Despite the prickly appearance of the hedgehog, the leopard lunged forward to attack its prey. The hedgehog's spines pierced the leopard's paw, causing it to yelp in pain. Another leopard still persisted in attacking the hedgehog when its paws were full of wounds. Feeling weak and vulnerable, the leopard retreated back into the bushes, licking its wounded paw, which was bleeding profusely. Leopards fiercely guard their territories from other animals and have been known to engage in brutal fights to protect their space. The leopard's injuries would take a long time to heal. It tried to walk step by step. A group of 12 lions attacked a solitary leopard in the wild. The attack was swift and brutal, with the lionesses using their speed and strength to overpower the leopard. Despite the leopard's best efforts to defend itself, it was no match for the coordinated attack of the lions. It was a reminder of the wild nature of the animal kingdom, where only the strongest survive. The sight of 12 lions taking down a single leopard was awe-inspiring and terrifying. It was a reminder that in the wild, only those who are strong and determined will survive. The leopard's powerful jaws and sharp claws make quick work of the impala's defenses. The impala tried to defend itself, but the leopard made it difficult for the impala to escape. What do you think about these intense moments? Leave your comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos.